Good morning, students. Today we will discuss about our second chapter, computer peripherals. Our second chapter, computer peripherals. Computer peripherals. The device that go with a computer are called the computer peripherals. Means computer peripherals include both input and output devices. Computer peripherals include input devices and output devices. Now we will discuss about the input devices and output devices. And first one, input devices. Input devices. The device by which we feed data and instruction into a computer. Data and instruction into a computer are called input devices. Input devices means we feed data and instruction into a computer are called input devices. And examples are, first one, keyboard. First we will discuss about the input devices. The example, first one, keyboard. You know, keyboard is an input device. It is used to enter information into the computer. There are many keys on a keyboard. These keys are used to feed the data into the computer. First one, keyboard. And second one, mouse. Mouse. Mouse is a pointing device. It is used to point at the object on the computer monitor. And there are 2 or 3 buttons on a mouse. And pressing the mouse button is called clicking. And pressing the mouse button twice without giving a gap is called double clicking. And another action is drag and drop. The first one, keyboard, and second input device is mouse. And another input device is trackball. Trackball. And your textbook, page number 16. This is a trackball. And it is look like a mouse, and it is used its place. And it has a ball on the top. It has a ball on the top, and which is rolled with the finger to move the cursor on the screen. It is normally used in laptops only. And first one is keyboard, second one mouse, and third one trackball. And another input device is joystick. Joystick. And joystick is used to play games. And children love to operate this device. Joystick is used to play the games. Page number 16. This is the joystick. And another input device is light pen. Light pen. Your textbook, page number 17. And this is the light pen. And this device is used for drawing object directly on the screen. Directly on the screen. This device is used for drawing object directly on the screen. And this light pen is mostly used by engineers, architects or designers to directly draw the design on the screen. But these are the input devices. First one, keyboard, mouse, trackball, joystick, light pen, and another important input device is scanner. Scanner. And your textbook, page number 17. This is the scanner, and the scanner reads and scans text and pictures available on paper and put its copy into the computer. And a scanner reads and scans text and pictures and available on the paper and put it into the computer, and this is the scanner. And next important input device is microphone. Microphone is an input device. It is used to record our voice and sounds. Microphone is used to record our voice and sounds, and this is the microphone, page number 18. And now we will discuss about the input devices. These are the input devices. Examples: keyboard, mouse, trackball, joystick, light pen, scanner and microphone are input devices. Next one, output devices. Output devices. The devices through which the output is obtained from the computer are called the output devices. Once again, the output is obtained from the computer are called the output devices. Examples are, first one, monitor. First one, monitor. Monitor is an output device. Monitor is an output device. It is also called a visual display unit. You know, monitor is also called a visual display unit. And the output that we receive on the monitor is called a soft copy. And monitor is also called a visual display unit, VDU. Output devices, example, first one, monitor. And second one, printer. Printer is an output device. It is used to print our work on a paper. Printer is used to print our work on a paper. The printed copy that we get from the printer is called a hard copy. The output that we receive from the monitor is called a soft copy, and the printed copy that we get from the printer is called a hard copy. And next output device is speakers. And you know, speakers are used to listen the recorded music, or speakers are used to play music and sound from the computer. Once again, in this second chapter, computer peripherals, we will discuss the input devices and output devices. Input devices, example, keyboard, mouse, trackball, joystick, light pen, scanner and microphone. And output devices, example, monitor, printer and speakers. Okay, thank you.